Good morning, students. Welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, you know that already we have completed lesson number 3, the earth and its neighbors. Is it, dear student? Already this lesson explanation is completed. All the evaluate part like fill in the blanks, match the following, choose the correct answers and some of the question answers, and also spot the 8 planets of our solar system in the word search grid. These all things already we have completed. Is it, dear student? So, and after completing this lesson, what I have told before 3-4 videos, what I have told, you make a project work of solar system. Is it, dear student? I have sent some images also, means while teaching this lesson I have sent some images of solar system. You can take the help of that images, or you can take the help of your parents. So you make a very best one project work. Is it, dear student? So you have to make a project work. So here I have told, use the things like take a big chart paper, draw the solar system on it, place balls of various sizes, means different sizes balls, thermocol balls you can use, or tennis balls you can use, plastic playing, kids are playing, like that balls you are use. Okay, so if by using these all different size of balls, you can means where the planets are marked, there you can place these balls. And dear student, I have told you to orbits, means each planet is having its own orbit. So to draw the orbit lines, you can use a golden color lace or golden color thread. I have told you to use for drawing the lines of orbits. Is it? So dear student, once again I am telling you, you have to prepare, take few more days for preparing the project work. And dear student, you have to prepare, take a photocopy of that and send it to me. Which one is very good and appreciable, really we will appreciate you especially. Okay, dear student? So do this work. And dear student, already this lesson explanation is completed, evaluate part is completed. So today, just one activity I am going to give you. So, miss, this is the revision class and you have to do one activity. Here, dear student, what I am giving you. So here some of the names of planets and other things have given. So here is Earth, Sun, Moon, comets. Okay, next Venus, Pluto, again asteroids, Uranus, then Mars and stars. Okay, dear student. So you have to, after seeing this word, dear student, here make a table and what you have to do here, you have to put the planets in planets column and you have to write down the non-planets in non-planet column. Okay, dear student, this is the planet column, planets, and this is the non-planet. So you have to complete this table. Here planets are there and here non-planets are there. So now we will see which word is the planet and which is the non-planet. So now I will read and you have to put in the proper column. First one, Earth. Yes, is it a planet or non-planet? Yes, dear student, Earth is a planet. Yes, dear student, after this, Sun. Is it Sun a planet or non-planet? Yes, dear student, Sun is a non-planet. Next, dear student, Moon. Here, Moon is a planet or non-planet? Yes, dear student, Moon is a non-planet. So, we have to write in the non-planet column. Next, dear student, comets. Here, comets are planets or non-planets? Comets are non-planets. Next, dear student, Venus. Yes, Venus is a planet. So, you should write in the planet column. Okay. Next, Pluto. This is a dwarf planet. So, this is also not count as a planet. So, we should write in the non-planet. Okay. We should write in the non-planet column. Pluto. Next, dear student, asteroids. Here, asteroids are planets or the non-planets? Asteroids are non-planets. Next, dear student, Uranus. Uranus is a planet? Yes, Uranus is a planet. Next, dear student, Mars. Here, Mars is also a planet. Dear student, after this, stars. Stars are non-planet. Okay, dear student. So, here planets are Earth, Venus, Uranus and Mars. Okay, these are the planets, and here remaining these are the non-planets: Sun, stars, Moon, asteroids, comets and Pluto. So, these are the non-planets. Dear student, you have to it is not given in the textbook, is it? If you are searching in the textbook, it is not available. Just for your more knowledge, I have given this activity from myself. Okay, dear student. So, by doing like these tables, you will better understand which is the planet and which is the non-planet. Okay, dear student. Because of this, I have given this activity. So, you have to complete it. So, here some of the words I have given, they are the words of planets and non-planets. Here, Earth is a planet, Sun is a non-planet, Moon, non-planet, comets, non-planet, Venus is a planet, Pluto is non-planet, asteroids, non-planet, Uranus is a planet, Mars is a planet, stars is a non-planet. Okay, dear student. So, by solving this activity, you can understand about the planets and non-planets. Okay, dear student. So, after this, dear student, again one activity I want to give you. So, again one activity here means you have to first you complete this in the notebook and send it to me. So, another one activity I will give you, means for more understanding of yourself. Okay, dear student. Dear student, here some of the questions I will write. So, solve the word puzzle it is. Okay, activity 2. Now, first question is, some questions I will ask. The planet closest to the sun. Okay, we will write the answer now. Next, the 8th planet. The eighth planet. The biggest planet. Number 4, the planet with a ring. The planet with a ring. Next, only planet with life on it. Okay, dear students. Yes, miss, this is one activity. Miss, you have to refresh the mind by solving these questions. Okay, the planet closest to the sun. So, which planet is next to the sun? Yes, dear student, this is Mercury. Okay, the planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Now, dear students, second question is the eighth planet. Which is the eighth planet? Yes, dear student, eighth planet means last planet, that is Neptune. Okay. Third question is the biggest planet. Which is the biggest planet here? Dear students, Jupiter. Okay. So next is the planet with bright rings. So which planet has the bright rings? Saturn. Okay, dear students. Only planet with life on it. So which planet having the life? Yes, dear students, Earth. Yes, dear students, these whatever the activities I have given, they are not given in the textbook, but for your extra knowledge or better knowledge, I have given these activities. So these activities you have to complete in your homework book and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, dear student, hope you all are better understanding about this lesson. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Till here today I will stop. In the next class, I will continue the new lesson. Thank you.